If I knew then what I know now, I wouldn't have doubted you. I wish I could tell my younger self just to have faith. There's so many mountains you have moved, valleys you have led me through, and it's only by your grace I'm standing here today. I'm a witness to your faithfulness in every storm, in every step, looking back. Never once did you let me go. And no matter what the future holds, you're working for my good. I know you're faithful, and I'll never walk alone. My life is full of miracles, the stories that I could tell. All that you've healed, all that you've done, I can't forget. So even if my life doesn't go the way I planned or how I hoped, our history has shown you've never failed me yet. I'm a witness to your faithfulness in every storm, in every step, looking back. Never once did you let me go. And no matter what the future holds, you work it for my good. I know you are faithful, and I never walk alone. Oh, I never walk alone. Nothing and no one can separate me. Whoa, 'cause you go behind me and before me. Nothing and no one can separate me. Oh, 'cause every moment I know you are with me. You've always been faithful, and looking back, oh, you never let me go. And no matter what the future holds, you're working for my good. I know you are faithful, and I never walk alone. I never walk alone. Never walk alone.
Never walk alone. 32 counts, 2 walls, intermediate, with 1 restart. Weight on the left. Section 1. Right basic. Side, close, cross. Keep right arm to the right diagonal. Left basic. Side, close, cross. Keep left arm to the left diagonal. Side, lock behind, drop arms. Unwind 3/4. Transfer weight to left. Facing 3. Run back, right, left, quarter side, facing 6. Section 2. Look over right shoulder. Half shuffle. Quarter together, quarter forward with sweep, facing 12. 2 PC walk. Cross walk, cross walk. Rock, recover, run back, right, left. Count section 1 and 2. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Section 3. Rock, recover, half, facing 6. Rock, recover, together. Quarter forward with sweep, facing 9. Run, run, sweep, half, facing 3. Run, run. Section 4. Step, pivot, half, ball forward with prep. Sweep 3/4 turn, followed by half sailor. Sweep 3/4, sailor half, facing 12. Ball step, pivot half, facing 6. And start again. Count section 3 and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Whole dance count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Backward. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Then you will dance 3 full walls. Wall 6, facing 6 o'clock. 16 counts, restart. Wall 6. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and restart. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and